If you're using the HP Print and Cut solution, occasionally you'll run into a media, like the one I'm holding here, which doesn't see the barcode correctly. And it doesn't see the barcode because this is a window perf. And if you print a barcode on a window perf, well, there's a bunch of holes in it. So the cutter has a barcode printed on it, and then our automated system is, you press the barcode on the cutter, and then it finds the barcode, it determines what job, what orientation, and prints it. Well, it can't see any barcode because the barcode is filled with holes. So there may be materials, perhaps some high-intensity prismatics, some window perfs, anything where the barcode is not clear to the barcode reader on the cutter. And in those cases, what we recommend is that you turn off printing the barcode. Like, don't print it at all. Because what we're going to do is we're going to arrange the alignment on the material based on the registration marks, the fiducial marks or registration marks only. We're not going to use the barcode. We may also even turn off the long OPMOS mark depending on whether it can read it or not, because in some cases it may not be able to see that either. And then what we're going to do is just have it do it by the marks, and then it'll find the marks and cut everything out. So a window perf, I would probably turn off everything except the little black registration marks all the way around it. In those cases, you also have to send the job over manually. You can't use the barcode feature here to have it find something. In Flexi's cutter, you go in and say send job, and then the cutter will immediately prompt you to find the first mark, and you go and find the first mark. The way that works is under the RIP tabs, you want to go into a tab here which is, it looks like a little crosshair, and it says labels and marks. That's the tab you find this, and down at the bottom here it says HP barcode. You click on options, and then you open it up. It's set for default to be HP barcode, but if you know you have a media that can't read it, you're going to change that, and I would probably go just OPOS. I would skip the OPOS XY and just do the OPOS marks, which is your registration or fiducial marks. Hit OK. And now you see the barcode has disappeared and the long XY line has disappeared. You're just using the fiducial marks or the registration marks, and that's going to be much better for this than doing anything else. And when you're done, you can switch it back when you run other medias. So that is a workaround that we're recommending for certain medias in the case that you can't find the barcode or the barcode cannot be read legibly because of the